Hey everyone, in this lesson we are going to explore multiplication. We will cover what multiplication is, the idea behind it, the symbol that we use, and some easy example to get you started. The word multiplication literally means to hit, to strike. In math, it is quickest way to add equal numbers, the same kind. When we perform a multiplication, the number being multiplied are called multiplication factor, and the result we get is called product. The symbol for multiplication are this is this is and this is. Sometimes brackets can also act like multiplication symbol. There are three main types of brackets, a small bracket, this is symbol, medium bracket, this is symbol, large bracket, this is symbol. Started example. For example, three plus three plus three plus three. Three is added to itself four times. Three plus three, six. Six plus three, six plus three, nine. Nine plus three, 12. 12. The number three is added to itself four times. All of these numbers are the same, so they are equal numbers. Using multiplication is the shortest way to write this number. For example, three is added to itself four times. Write 4. A positive sign change to multiplication sign. The number is added 3. And finally, if 4 times 3 equal to 12. In multiplication, the first number shows how many times the second number is added. In this example, 4 and 3 are the multiplication factor and 12 is the product.